Today is Sunday, September 6th. This is the 1968 Cadillac DeVille convertible left-hand driver side wiring harness. This is a fully restored unit. The unit was completely tattered, and I've done a complete restoration of the harness, and it's absolutely perfect and beautiful. And I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. This is for my friend John in Boyne City, Michigan. And in the previous videos, I have created two videos for the power servo for the air conditioning system and also the in-dash climate controller. Okay, and this is the functional validation test for the electrical continuity of the wiring harness. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply my polarities here. And I'm going to begin with the purple position, which I already have the other connector here, and we can see that the light bulb is coming on. Purple. Okay. And now I'll go to the purple and white, and the light bulb comes on. Go to the solid green, and the light bulb comes on. Go to the green with the white wire, and the light bulb comes on. Go to the brown with the white wire, and the light bulb comes on. Go to the solid brown, which is the window motor. Let me reposition my light bulb. Okay, and now we'll go to the solid blue wire for the other polarity of the motor. Right there. And the blue comes on. And now we have the blue with the white stripe, which is right here. Okay, and last we have the red wire with the white stripe, which provides a duplicity in its connections. One here. And the other one is for the emergency lockout rocker switch, which is right here. A lot of people don't realize that a faulty emergency lockout rocker switch does not allow the daisy chaining, meaning the in and out looping of the electrical continuity, to occur. And of course the hardness can also be bad, but many times, quite often, this switch can be bad and cause all kinds of havoc. So we have two connections: the looping connection for the emergency lockout rocker switch for the red and white wire, and then also the primary wire right over here. Okay, so I've connected everything in terms of the primary cluster switch connector, and I'm going to go ahead and lastly connect the small pigtail for the white wire with the black stripe, and the light bulb comes on, and the orange wire, which is the last remaining connection for testing purposes, right here, and the light bulb comes on. Maybe the light bulb wasn't shown in the video, so let me go back there. Okay, right there. There's the red. I'll do the white with the black stripe again. Okay, so that's the 1968 Cadillac left-hand driver side wiring harness, the fully restored unit. This will be going to my friend John as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today's Sunday.